Hello food lovers. Welcome to Food and Beyond 101, the home of stylish food reveals. Today I'll be making Chinese fried rice. Watch with me as I prepare this delicious and healthy meal. Let's go through the ingredients for my Chinese fried rice. We have some basmati rice, king prawns, sweet corn, sweet peppers, onions, eggs, cooking oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper, and finally some sea salt. Let's get on with the food prep.
Start the food prep by cleaning and deveining the king prawns. Next, season the king prawns with the garlic powder. Coat the prawns with the garlic, then leave to one side to be fried later. Next, prepare the onions and sweet peppers. Cut the sweet peppers and onions into manageable pieces to be fried later. Next, prepare the eggs. Break the eggs into a bowl and add some salt. Whisk the eggs until they're light yellow. Then leave them to the side to be fried later.
Time to start cooking.
Add washed rice to a pot. Add water. Add salt to season. Then parboil the rice for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the rice should be sufficiently parboiled. Stir the rice to loosen it. Then leave to one side while you get on with the other cooking. Next, it's time to fry the eggs. Pour some oil into a frying pan. Then add the whisked egg. Fry the eggs, and once they're ready, leave them to the side and move on to the next stage of cooking the Chinese fried rice. Next, it's time to fry the prawns. Pour some oil into a frying pan. Heat the oil. Then add the prawns. Fry the prawns for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once they're fried, leave them to the side. Then proceed with the next stage of the cooking. Next, it's time to fry the sweet peppers and the onions. Use the oil from frying the prawns. This will add to the flavor. Add the sweet peppers, then the onions, and leave to fry for 5 minutes. Next, add the sweet corn. Now it's time to add the seasoning. Add the oyster sauce, the soy sauce, the garlic powder, the ginger powder, the black pepper. Then combine the seasonings into the vegetables. Next, add the prawns. And finally, add the eggs. Stir everything together and leave to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Place the rice onto the hob and heat at medium temperature. Then add the fried ingredients. Vigorously mix the fried ingredients into the rice. The Chinese fried rice is ready.
Time for the taste test. The The rice is fluffy, and as you can see, it's infused with the seasonings, the vegetables, the eggs, and the prawns. The aroma is amazing. Let me go ahead and taste it. That tastes delicious. It's so good, I'm going to have a second taste. Yeah, that is really good. In a wok's embrace, the rice does lie, golden grains, kissed by fire, in a fragrant sigh. A dance of flavors in a sizzling pan, each grain a story, of lands and hands. Garlic whispers secrets, ginger sings, onions and scallions at their rings. Eggs unfold like morning sun, in a dance with peas, the colors run. Soy sauce flows, a liquid night, coating dreams in savory light. Shrimp or pork, a tender grace, each piece a gem in the starchy lace. The wok, a vessel of ancient lore, tells tales of emperors and commoner. Of fields of rice under a moonlit sky, and hands that harvest as time goes by. In every bite, a world unseen, of cultures blending, vast and keen. A humble dish, yet rich in soul, Chinese fried rice, a perfect whole.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.